Control in research work. Control in research means a comparison group or the one which is used for comparison only is known as control. Control is used to minimize the effect of age, gender, and locality of patients. Hence, the control should be age, gender, and locality matched. Or if the geographical conditions may affect the study, then the control should be taken from same geographical conditions. In some studies, the control group is that which receives no treatment or intervention, and the participants at baseline are considered as control. If one group is identical to another group in a study in all aspects, instead of one variable that is disease, then we'll say that that group is of the control group. There are three meanings of controls. The first meaning of control is understood by a case control study in which both groups are investigated in same conditions except the factor of interest. For example, in above figure, the cases and controls are identical except that cases have disease but controls have not. Their age, gender, and locality they are matched. In some animal studies, two groups can be made and given some conditions, but different treatments to reveal the effect of treatment. In plant studies, if you make two groups, you sow some seeds in same soil and climatic conditions with water, but one gets more light and other not, but it will get normal light, which serve as control, and we can see that the effect of more light on plants can be revealed. In uncontrolled study, the investigator's control is limited, and he will have no control, and the treatment is determined by factors. Now, the second meaning of control is design control. It means that you will make a design a control in a test tube experiments. All test tubes will get same reagents except the sample. The sample is added only in T1, T2, and T3, but in blank, which serve as control, here only distilled water is added instead of sample. All the other reagents are added are same in all tubes and with the same amount, so that the test tube will mark on the same amount. So the effect of reagents and environment are omitted by using that blank, and which can cause error in sample reading. It means it will reduce error. The third meaning of control is in data processing the statistical control. It means that by the application of statistical methods, the internal validity of a study is improved. For every study of participants, a statistical control is employed so that their characteristics may not affect the outcome. For example, in the figure, reference is a statistical control, and p value compares the significance level in all groups in the second figure. Now, the negative and positive controls. The negative and positive controls are also used in research, especially in randomized controlled trials or clinical trials. The positive control is a group that has positive effect of treatment in an experimental research. But the negative control will not receive a treatment which can show any effect of treatment. For example, if we want to investigate the new anti-cancer drug, then an untreated negative control will be given a simple sugar tablet which will not affect the cancer or any other thing, and positive control will be given as usual drug, but sample group will receive a new drug. Now, the benefits of controls. The number one benefit of the control is it provides a basis for comparison. Especially in case control studies, we compare between treated and untreated units and we can see the effect. The the second number is it minimizes errors in studies. So in some studies we can minimize the errors. In the number three benefit is statistical control is less effective in minimizing errors because it is applied after the treatment is applied. So we have all these benefits of the control.